LG invites you to its world of pure colors. With real 8K and NanoCell technology, this is the new NanoCell 99 8K TV. NanoCell 99 TV has a true 8K experience. Aren't you familiar with 8K? Well, it isn't nearly twice the resolution but 4 times the resolution of Ultra HD. That's 33 million pixels with each pixel displaying a different detail. And it's so much better that it even surpasses the international standards and definition of 8K. But there's more to this TV than just 8K. There's Nano. Nano color, Nano black, Nano bezel and Nano accuracy. LG NanoCell technology uses nanoparticles to absorb unwanted light wavelengths, giving you vivid and more accurate colors that stay true even at wide viewing angles. Therefore, Nano color. 8K content feels real on LG's NanoCell 99 TV, and even non-8K content is upscaled with LG's deep learning capability to deliver near 8K experience. We built a TV with full array dimming technology producing richer, deeper, darker black. Therefore, Nano Black. We built a super minimalist all-display TV with just a trace of a solid-looking frame. Therefore, Nano Bezel. Now, Nano Accuracy. That's something we built with experience rather than imagination, so that you can take your favorite corner and still enjoy accurate colors with wide viewing angles. Find newer, deeper meanings in movies and sports with our advanced 3rd generation Alpha 9 AI processor. At the core of the NanoCell 99 TV is the experience of ThinQ AI. Say hi LG and it does what an intelligent creature would do. It responds. Take control of all your IoT-based home systems with a smart feature that we like to call LG Routine. The NanoCell 99 TV has inbuilt Alexa and Google Assistant, and they work as you would expect them to without having to use an external device. Alexa, play Indian classical music.
Playing Indian classical music on Amazon Music.
How is the weather in Delhi today?
It will be sunny there Sunday, with a high of 33 and a low of 19.
You can also mirror the content from your iPhone, iMac and iPad through Apple AirPlay 2 and HomeKit. The fusion of Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos brings you the real cinematic experience at home. The sound and true-to-life color are excellent to enjoy any OTT content. Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hotstar are all accessible. Just say the word. Navigating through all of this with our magic remote is even easier. The TV also has a 2.1 HDMI. Gamers can now connect their new consoles and be able to enjoy their favorite games with higher frame rates and low input lags. Plus, it also supports AMD FreeSync Premium. There's something for sports enthusiasts as well. Sports Alert. You won't miss any of the action with the latest updates from your games and favorite teams, even when you're watching something else. Sports aren't any fun with motion blur, so we made them disappear with the new Motion Pro feature. Now watch all those quick turns and moves and experience action like never before. Pair the NanoCell 99 TV with your favorite Bluetooth speakers and experience the thrill of a packed stadium right into your home. Now you can enjoy the best of movies, sports and games with the new NanoCell 99 8K TV, which truly has the power of Nano and 8K.